Hi, grade fours.
Hi, grade fours. You finally get your wish of seeing my face on a video. Okay, so I found a new way of doing rounding off. So I want to try it and see, maybe it helps you. If you are fine with rounding off, then you do your rounding off the way that you do. This way it takes the wrap that we use and also incorporates a little bit of something else that makes it maybe a little bit more fun. Okay, so we are sticking to the wrap, like I said, and I'm just going to go over it again. So remember, it's find the place value and circle that digit. Move to the right, underline, get it? 0 through 4, the circle stays the same. 5 through 9, add 1 in this game. Now flex your muscles like a hero. Digits to the right, change to 0. All other digits remain the same. Yo, you're a winner at the rounding game. Okay, so we are going to make you a winner at the rounding game, and I think this one's going to help. So what I've got here is a balloon. So here's my balloon. Okay, and this balloon is going to be held on to with my hand. Okay, so I need to use the number that I'm underlining to determine if I'm going to hold onto this balloon. Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean now. So if I, for example, I'm rounding off to the nearest 10, okay? So I've got 43. So I've got 43, and I'm rounding off to the nearest 10. So I know when I round off to the nearest 10 that I'm circling the number in the tens column, because that's how it works, okay? So here's my circle, and now this is actually going to change to a balloon. Okay, so this is my balloon. Then I move to the right, so that's this way, and I underline, okay? And this is the number that determines if I hold on to my balloon or not. Okay, so here I've got my balloon, and I need to let go of this many fingers. Okay, so I go 1, 2, 3. With 3 fingers let go, I'm still holding onto my balloon. So that means that this number in the circle, or my balloon, is going to stay the same. It's not going to become a different balloon, it's going to stay exactly the same. Then I bring in my wrap where I say digits to the right, change to 0. Now there's only one digit to the right, which is this 3, and it's going to change to 0. So that means that 43 rounded off to the nearest 10 would give me 40. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what happens if this number changes. So I'm going to stick with the 40, and I'm going to rather make this one 45. So there's 45, find the place value, circle that digit, move to the right, and underline. So remember I said the underlined number is how many fingers I need to let go to see if I'm still holding onto my balloon. Okay, so I've got a 5 here, which means I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There goes my balloon. Okay, so now I'm really sad, very sad. But I'm going to replace it with a better balloon and a bigger balloon. So a bigger balloon than 4 would then be 5. That's the next biggest balloon, because I can't be greedy. I can only get one size up. Okay, so here my balloon has now changed to 5. Okay, and I stay the same with digits to the right, change to 0. So that shows me that 45 rounded off to the nearest 10 will give me 50. Okay, so I'm going to try it now with a different number. Let's incorporate some hundreds in here as well. Okay, so if I have got 262, okay, and I'm still rounding off to the nearest 10. So again, I circle the number that's in my tens column, which is the 6. Remember, that's my balloon. Move to the right and underline. Get it? Okay. So this number again determines whether I'm keeping my balloon or whether I'm getting a bigger one. So here's my balloon. Okay, and I'm letting go of 2 fingers. So I go 1, 2, and I'm still holding on to my balloon. So that means that this 6 is staying the same. remember, digits to the right change to 0. You said it with me, didn't you? Okay, so they change to 0, and that means that now 262 rounded off to the nearest 10 will give me 260. Okay, so let's go rounding off to the nearest 100. So if I've now got a number like, let's see, 341, okay? I'm rounding off to the nearest 100, so I circle the number that's in the hundreds column, which is my 3. And remember now, this is my balloon, there it is, loop, and I move to the right and underline, okay? So this is the number again that I am, how many fingers I'm letting go? This one's going to be a tough one. Okay, so I'm letting go 4 fingers, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's let go, okay? It's let go. And I'm holding onto my balloon. Right. So now remember, the rhyme says, digits to the right change to 0. So anything that's to the right of my balloon is now changing to 0. Whoop. Okay, so that means that 341 rounded off to the nearest 100 will give me 300. One more, just so we can see. So if I've changed my number to, let's do 362. Okay, find the place value, circle that digit, move to the right, underline. Okay, this is the number of fingers that I'm letting go. Right, so I've got my balloon, and now I let go of 6 fingers. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There goes my balloon, it's gone. I'm very sad, but I'm getting a bigger balloon. Okay, so again, I'm not greedy. I'm only getting a 1 size bigger balloon, which means, stop dropping this thing. Okay, I'm getting a balloon that's now a 4 instead of a 3. And I stick to the rap still, and I say digits to the right, change to 0. There's 2 digits to the right of my balloon, and both of them will change to 0. Okay, I hope that helps a little bit. See if you can practice, maybe you get your own balloon. But see if I can go through it in class with you, see if Mrs. Jones can go through it in class with you, and yeah, hopefully it helps. Love you guys.